Hey, it's Suneel Gupta, and I am here to introduce you to a brand new topic that I call head, heart, and hands, a new way to look at leadership. I've spent over the past 10 years studying some of the most exceptional leaders on the planet to unpack the habits that really took them to the top. And the thing that I've realized along the way is that leadership has changed. It's still very much about getting things done, but today's leaders don't just impact the bottom line, but the overall well-being of the people that they lead. In fact, for most of us, the person who has the biggest impact on our overall health, even more than a doctor or a therapist, is our boss. And leaders who embrace this new reality are going to become magnets for exceptional talent, catalysts for resilience, and they're going to drive whole new levels of productivity within their organization. So this is a time-sensitive keynote to equip your leaders with the science-based tools and the practical takeaways, things that they can put into practice immediately as soon as they walk outside the room. My goal is to make sure that they leave inspired, dedicated, and recommitted to lead in this changing world of work.